Hi, it's Tara with SmartDeploy, back with video 6. We're going to talk about platform packs and application packs. SmartDeploy comes with pre-built driver packs. Those are platform packs and application packs that you can download and deploy with your Windows image. Let's take a look at it. So you're going to go to the left sidebar and click on, you guessed it, platform packs. Now I want you to go to the upper right hand corner and click on actions and download. Now it's going to bring up the library and you're going to see all the different models. You can go to the search bar there and type in a model. Let's download one. The best thing about these is we keep them updated so you don't have to. Once you have them downloaded, you're going to see them pop up into your console, and now you can add them to your image. You can push them out to your devices individually. It's very flexible. Let's also take a look at application packs, and they function in a similar manner. Same thing, go to the left sidebar and click on application packs. We're going to do the same thing. Let's download some. Let's take a look at 7-zip. Check the box and download it. Exactly the same workflow. Also, platform packs and application packs are customizable, and you can even create your own. That is all for this video. Come back next time, and we are going to create our answer file.